Hello, this is Alex speaking, and I would like to show the demo of our service. Unfortunately, I didn't find the tool that allowed to record both mobile phones for passenger and driver, so I will present you service from driver point of view. So let's begin. Let's start from the very beginning and install application. Let's go to click on the Play Store icon and find Give Me a Lift application. Click on it and click install button. It asks to for certain permissions. Click accept button. It is started downloading. Okay, it is done. Click open button. So here you may see service asks to turn GPS on. Click yes button and turn GPS on and go back. So finally you are on the landing page. On this page you can sign in using either Facebook account or Google Plus account. For driver, sign in by Google Plus button. It asks to choose Google account. Choose one. And if application couldn't identify phone number on this phone, enter valid number. And okay, and done, and okay. So finally we have registered a new user with Google Plus profile and phone number I just entered recently. Or now button, or you can find companion for a delayed trip. So for instance, if you're planning to go tomorrow or in a few hours, you would and want to find companion in advance, you would choose second mode by click on button go later. Let's check first mode and try to find companion right now. Click go now button. If user is new and opened the application first time, service asks to complete certain his or her profile in the application. Such as you can see profiles page shown on phone, and such parameters like name, surname, email, age, etc. are already predefined, and because they were retrieved from social network profile. However, that profile doesn't contain such information as brand car, color car, car number, etc. So service asks to complete configuration of this account. Let's check brand like for instance Suzuki, color red, and car number. Okay, and select car type. So that's it for driver, and let's choose go now feature. Next time when this user will open the application, it will not ask, it will show directly feature go now or go later. It will not show preferences page. So here you can choose one of the following destinations, like just go to somewhere, or go home, or go to the office. Also in this application we can save various favorite places and use them on next right. So for the moment, let's choose moving to somewhere. At the same time, on another mobile phone, I also selected Go Now feature and go to somewhere. So on current screen you may see my current position as a driver. This is it is shown as a green triangle inside a circle. This is my current position. And let's choose in this mode when a person is looking for a companion for the moment. Departure location is treated as current location. So current location is treated as department location. So we just need to define destination location. So let's zoom out map. You can choose destination by specifying by clicking on certain clicking on the map, or by entering address value in text area the very above the screen. So let's choose destination. Point, and as you can see, system calculated route for to specified destination. And you can choose find passenger. You can click on the find passengers button and start searching for passenger. As you can see, role of this person is shown in status bar above the screen. Here you may choose as a current person is as a driver or a passenger for current ride. Let's leave it as a driver and click find passenger button. System asks to specify deviation. This person is ready to move in order to pick up passenger. Let's say I can spend 1 kilometer more to find appropriate passenger. At the same time, I on another mobile phone I selected passenger as a role for another person and set destination location in so route of this passenger will match route for driver, and click find driver button on passenger's mobile phone. It also asks for deviation value as it is 100 meters or 200 meters or 500 meters. It means how long passenger is ready to walk in order to hoping to driver. Let's say he's ready to walk for up to 200 meters. So system tries to find companions, and you can see on driver's mobile phone system find appropriate passenger and informed the driver about this passenger. Driver can check details of this passenger and make decision either approve or confirm this passenger. Let's confirm this passenger. And the system is informed about driver should go to should follow the road and pick up passenger. On passenger's mobile phone, passenger can see details of that driver with such as name and surname and details about car. Also, they are able to call to each other of some reason. In this particular case, in this example, passenger and driver are located at same place. And if passenger and driver are near to each other, they application informs asks both of them about if they can see his or her companion. So in driver mobile for driver, it asks if he or she can see passenger, and on passenger's mobile phone, system asks if he or she can see driver. And let's say passenger saw driver and click it on yes. Let's check what will driver see on his phone. So you can see that system informed about passenger observed driver and asks driver to confirm that he or she observed passenger. Let's click yes. And finally, congratulations dialog is shown with information about passenger is found, and it asks to share information about the application on in social network. In this particular case for driver, it is Google Plus. Let's click thanks next time. That's it. In current implementation, this is complete flow for writes right now. Also, this is one of the 4 meaningful features of this service. Let's check second one, go later. This feature is similar to go now feature with one exception. Yeah, it can find companion in advance. Just I will show you one example. Let's add let's add one route. So let's say current position would be departure point of the new route, and the destination would be this one. So application is calculated route direction. We just need to choose time and date. Let's choose same time for tomorrow. Okay, and start to look passenger. Let's specify deviation. On another hand, I'm just specify on another mobile phone for passenger. I will specify similar route. To have to be able in order for system, in order to be able to find passenger for driver. So I'm just click specified new route for passenger. And ask it to find driver. So on driver's mobile phone you can see driver's route, and you just saw that font of this route is marked and bold, become marked and bold. It means that system found companion for this driver. Let's check details of this route. Click on it, and we can see potential passenger for this driver with all details. Also driver is able to call to this passenger, and also accept him or decline. Let's accept him. So status status of this route is marked as confirmed by driver. So at the same time, passenger observed that his or her route become marked in bold, which means that driver passenger found driver, and passenger just need to confirm driver, and just click it confirm driver on passenger's phone. And you can see that status of this route for driver has changed to confirmed by passenger. So this is second feature, second of four features in our application. Also, another useful feature is my groups. This feature allows to find companions for passenger and driver in scope of group passenger and driver is assigned to. So any user in the system can be assigned to one or more groups, and within these groups user can find companion. I'm will not show you how this feature works, because this driver should be assigned to a group before he can use this feature. Just let me know if you still need to see details of this feature, how it works, and I will show you. And the last one meaningful feature of our service is an ability to find companion based on statistics. So all passengers and drivers add their routes to the system, and specify destination departure points with time when they start riding, and the system aggregates all statistics, and based on the statistics may suggest passenger or driver companions. And with this feature users can see, based on his or her history, how many passengers or drivers were potentially matched to routes they made before. For instance, this driver made two roads, two rights, and this feature informed him or her that 5 passengers were riding similar way before, and 12 more passengers were riding similar way, similar second way. So if we open second details for the second road, you may see details for all these passengers that were riding same way, and based on the statistics it is capable to identify potential companion and maybe suggest him to ride together on a regular basis. And if we open details of any person, we can see when he did write, etc., etc. Also, there is a possibility to contact him by either through mobile phone or social network. So this is basically actually application has few more features, but basically that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will be glad to answer on them. Thank you. Bye.